Have you ever wanted a USD visual card in Ghana that you can fund with a cryptocurrency and use for online payments around the world? In today's video, I will show you a prepaid crypto Visa card from PSNet that lets you pay for subscription, online shopping, travel, bookings, games, and much more, all using cryptocurrency. Let's get started. What is PSNet? PSNet offers virtual prepaid payment cards in US dollars that can be topped up using cryptocurrency. The service supports 18 different cryptocurrencies, including USDT and Bitcoin, making it easy for crypto users to spend their digital assets online. These are prepaid cards, meaning you simply load funds onto the card before making payment. And how the card works: after creating your PSNet account, you first deposit funds onto your account balance. So to top up your account, you click on top up button here. So once you click on it, then you select the payment method, right, which is the USDT or Bitcoin, right? You can also select other cryptocurrencies here, right, to use to make your deposit, right? And also there are no limit on the amount you can load or spend, and you can create multiple cards depending on your needs. So to create your card is very simple. You click on issued a card. So here you can see you select the payment system, right, which is we have MasterCard, 3D we have Visa also here, right? And here you enter your amount you want to start with, right? After that, then you click on this button here, then you continue to issue your card. Each card comes with its own card number, expiration date, and CVV code, right? Most cards also support 3D secure, providing an extra layer of protection during online transaction. And where can you use this card? One of the best things about this USD prepaid card is its worldwide usability. You can use it to pay for online subscription, purchase games, shop on AliExpress, shop on eBay, connect it to PayPal, book hotels worldwide, buy flight tickets, pay for almost any online service or purchase that accept Visa or MasterCard. The cards are available as Visa and MasterCard prepaid card for USD payment worldwide. And the registration is very simple. So we click on sign up. So you can register using Google, Apple ID, Telegram, or WhatsApp, right? You can also use your email. Besides crypto deposits, users can also top up through SEPA and SWIFT bank transfer, as well as Visa and MasterCard. New users also benefit from 0 fees on their first USD deposit. PSNet offers several fee advantages, include 0% transaction fees, 0% decline fees, 0% refund fees, 0% platform withdrawal fees, 0% card withdrawal fees. Card top-up start from only 2%. The platform includes two-factor authentication, while Telegram notification can deliver your 3D secure code instantly. PST also has a mobile app available on both Android and iOS, allowing you to manage your cards wherever you are. The platform also includes a dedicated card holder interface that makes managing multiple virtual cards very easy. Another useful tool is the BIN checker, which shows detailed information about cards. BINs include approval rates, decline rates, average spending, and account thresholds. If you're interested in any extra income, PSNet also offers an affiliate program where you can earn commission by referring new users. And don't forget, they also run a weekly $100 giveaway for users. So if you're looking for a USD prepaid crypto Visa card in Ghana that can be funded with cryptocurrency used for worldwide online payment, PSNet is worth checking out. Whether you are paying for subscriptions, shopping online, booking flights, or making international payment, this prepaid virtual card offers a convenient solution. If you would like to learn more, check the first link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.